Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel. And in this video, we're going to be doing the first ever performance review. I'm going to be going over the Nike Cosmic Unity basketball shoe. A lot of you guys did hit me up on Instagram asking me whether this was worth the cop or not. So I'm going to go ahead, give you guys the full breakdown on this sneaker. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Alright, so if you guys did enjoy the B-roll clips and the little hoop mixtape, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to the homie Brandon Wong. He's actually editing this video for me. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much for being willing to work with me on this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys would like to see more of his work on this channel, make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below, smash the like button, and then also subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if we can get this video up to 200 plus likes, and the channel is almost at 10K subscribers. So let's just go ahead and push out the content for you guys. Thank you so much, Brandon. I appreciate you. We're gonna go ahead and hop into the sneaker. All right, so breaking down the Nike Cosmic Unity, this shoe does retail for $150, and I believe 20% of this sneaker is recycled materials. So shout out to Nike for being able to implement that in this sneaker right here. I think these look very, very dope, especially in this colorway. I believe this colorway is sold out on Nike.com, so maybe just go ahead and check out your secondary sites like StockX or eBay. But I believe at Nike Las Vegas, this colorway is still available, so just go ahead and check it out. Check out your local stores if you guys want this specific colorway. There's a lot of dope colors out there when it comes down to this sneaker, but like I said, for $150, I think this is a really good bang for your buck on the basketball court. We're gonna go ahead and break it down for you guys. So starting off with the traction on this sneaker right here, you do have a very thick herringbone traction went all around. As you guys can see, it's just very vintage style herringbone, nothing too crazy about it. The one complaint I do have about this traction is that it's not squeaky enough. It doesn't squeak at all when you place down your foot, and for some odd reason I really love squeaky traction, but overall I don't catch myself slipping. I would say you do have to wipe occasionally. If I were to rate it out of a 10 scale, I would give these probably a 7 or 7.5 out of 10 when it comes down to the traction. Herringbone is a very safe play when it comes down to basketball shoes, but overall the Nike Cosmic Unity does have pretty good traction. Like I said, you do have to wipe occasionally from time to time, especially on your dustier courts. Alright, so breaking down the cushioning in the Nike Cosmic Unity, I actually really love the cushioning setup in the sneaker right here. You have full length zoom from heel to toe, meaning that it's just full length all around. If you guys don't know, the Kobe 4, the Kobe 5, and the Kobe 6 do have zoom units inside them, kind of just targeted like this Spiridon right here. But overall, I really love the court feel on this basketball shoe. Very, very good impact protection with a good amount of court feel. I actually really love this setup when it comes down to the cushioning on the Cosmic Unity. I would go ahead and try them out if you guys would like to, but overall I just really love the full length zoom unit on this sneaker. Like I said, really good impact protection and also really good court feel. So I would go ahead and give these an 8 out of 10 when it comes down to the cushioning setup in the Nike Cosmic Unity. Alright, so breaking down the materials and the sizing on the sneaker, the materials are really dope. They kind of just remind me of a thicker version of Flyknit. As you guys can see, it does have this like nice little jacquard knit material on top of it. I don't see this ripping anytime soon, which is really, really good. And as far as sizing goes, I know someone that did go a size 9.5 that wears a size 10 usually in basketball shoes, just because this part right here is a little chunky. But personally, I did go true to size on this sneaker right here, which is a size 10, and I actually really love how they fit. So maybe just go ahead and try these on if you guys do have the opportunity to. Like I said though, personally, I would just go true to size. And as far as the material goes, I think these would hold up very, very nicely on the basketball court, whether it's for a new season or just for new hoop shoes throughout the year. Honestly, I really stand behind this Cosmic Unity if you guys are interested in it. So for me personally, as a guard, like a shooter or a slasher, I would go ahead and highly recommend the Nike Cosmic Unity. I actually really love playing in the sneaker right here. The full length zoom is actually a lot of fun to play in, and I think these just look really good on court. So for 150 bucks, I would say you are getting a lot of bang for your buck. They kind of do remind me of a Kobe line. So if you guys are interested in any colorway, I would go ahead and recommend checking these out if you guys do need new hoop shoes for the season. But personally, I actually really love the Cosmic Unity. Let me know what you guys think about it, and hopefully you guys did enjoy the whole little hoop mixtape when it comes down to hooping in the sneaker right here. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to Brandon Wong and helping me out on this video. I appreciate you, bro. It does mean a lot. Hopefully you guys did enjoy my first ever performance review. If you guys have any questions on the sneaker right here, make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Go ahead and check me out on Instagram. Check out my website. Whatever it is, everything you need will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for all the love on the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.